Hey, so today we are going to be launching subscriber segments. To use them, go to settings. Under newsletter section, click on segments. Here the list of segments will be displayed. To create a new one, let's go to create segment. I'm going to name the segment some VIP people, some non-peeps. There are two conditions here, match all and match any. Now let's go ahead and select a filter. There's only tags filter at the moment, but we'll be adding more filters soon. Select it. And there are two conditions, is tagged or is not tagged. We're going to go with is not tagged. And let's go ahead and select VIP people. So this filter is going to give us all the subscribers that do not have this tag. So to preview it, let's go ahead and click on preview. So these are the people that will be added to the segment. Now let's go ahead and save changes. Okay, so the segment has been created. You can edit or delete by clicking these buttons. Now to use this segment while sending the newsletter, let's go to post as a newsletter. Let's send this one, and under the send to drop down, there is an option now for the segment that we just created. We're going to select it, and then all you have to do is click on this and then publish. And that's it. Your newsletter is now sent to all the people that were there in the segment.